How to fix Samsung F36 won't send MMS messages. So let's start the video. First of all, check your network connection works properly or not. If it doesn't work properly, then update a network connection. After that, swipe down to your control center and here you can turn on your mobile data. After turn on your mobile data, then open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps. After clicking on apps, then scroll down and find messages app and click on messages app. Now click on storage and here you can clear the data and cache memory of messages app. After clear data and cache memory, then go back and scroll down and click on general management and then click on reset. Now scroll down and click on reset network settings and then click on reset settings. After reset the network settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.